Okay, let's talk about some morphological changes with these new things that we talked about with the on and the imperatives a, okay? And again, we're only talking in terms of the transitive verbs, right? We're only talking in terms of transitive verbs. So, on is our conjugation for the non-focus to be our focus, right? The object focus for something that will be happening in the future, right? And hon is the same thing of on, but we only use hon if the end of a verb is an unstressed vowel or there's no glottal stop, okay? Or there's no, I guess, consonant. Yeah, if it's an unstressed vowel that ends in it with no glottal stop, we use hon. Otherwise, we will use on. And here are the examples, right? So, dala means to bring, right? Dala. But because of morphological process, dala gets changed to dad, right? This la gets deleted, and then we put a d in there, a da, right? Da, dad, right? So because of that glottal stop, we still use on. So dad on becomes our new verb conjugated. Dad on nako ang plansa. I will bring the iron. The it's the iron, like to iron the clothes, right? That's the iron. What we call plancha is a iron. Dawat, right? Dawat ends in a consonant, so we use on. Okay? Dawaton nako ang papel. I will take the paper. Or I will accept. Dawat means to accept. I will accept the paper. And the last one is basa. Basa doesn't end in a glottal stop or a stressed vowel, so we use hon. Basahon, right? Because now we have the stress on the last syllable. Basahon, right? Dawaton, dadon. So, basahon nako ang basahon. Right? Basahon nako ang basahon. I will read the book. Again, you can use libro, but I also put basahon just to make it like clear, I guess. Basahon nako ang basahon. I will read the book. Okay? And that's just like morphological processes because again, look at on. On is a suffix, and this usually happens for suffixes that morphological processes on verbs will change. Okay? So on or hon, depending on the glottal stop of an accented vowel or not. Now, if we want to change these on and hon, right, to an imperative, you change it to a or ha again. A or ha. Depend ha, right? On changes to a while hon changes to ha, okay? On changes to a while hon changes to ha. And then you make it an imperative in the object focus. And again, same rules still apply regardless, depending on if the vowel is stressed or with the glottal stop, you have to put a or ha. It just depends, okay? And these are the examples down here. So kuha is ending with a glottal stop, so or a stressed vowel kuha, right? A glottal stop, so we add a. Kuha a nimo kana, right? Kuha a nimo kana. Take that or get that, right? Take that or get that. Kana, that, right? Buhat ends in a consonant, so we add at, right? Buhata, right? Buhata. Again, the last syllable will take the stress. Buhata kini. Buhata kini. So it translates to do this, do this. Buhata kini, do this. And the last one is basa, right? Basa, meaning to read, but it's an unstressed or unaccented or no glottal stop vowel. So we put ha, basaha. There you go. Ha is the stress now. Basaha ninyo kani. Basaha ninyo kani. Read this. Y'all read this. How does this differentiate from the regular non-imperative, right? Because this is an imperative now. It's a command. This is non-command, non-imperative. So kuhaan nimo kana, if I put kuhaon nimo kana, means you will get that. But kuhaan nimo kana means get that, right? Buhata kini, do this. Buhaton kini, you will do this, right? Do this, you will do this. Basaha ninyo kani changes to basahon ninyo kani. So instead of saying y'all read this, it's saying you all will read this, okay? It's not imperative anymore. If I use this, it's imperative. If I use this, it's not imperative. And finally, in order to negate an imperative, right? You can just add ayaw og, right? Ayaw og and then whatever. But you have to be in the imperative. You can't use ayaw og this right here, okay? You can't use it in the regular future. You have to use ayaw og with the imperative ending. So, ayaw kuhaa, don't take it. Ayaw buhata, don't do it. Ayaw basaha, don't read. Yeah, don't read, don't take, don't do. So ayaw og, right? And it's easy. Just put that before the verb and you have a negated imperative. Ayaw kuhaan nimo kana. Don't take that. Ayaw buhata kini. Don't do it. Or don't do this. Okay? So I hope this can demystify some stuff. Last video of tonight.